This guy has no head. In this video, I'm going to run over how players become headless in Roblox and what you can and can't do with this. Please consider liking and subscribing if this video helps you out. While playing Roblox, you may have noticed that some players have no head. How do they do this? The headless accessory comes from a pack released by Roblox themselves called Headless Horseman. The catch with this though is they only sell it during October, and it costs 31,000 Robux. This is kind of insane. It's close to $400 US. What this means is the only way you can truly become headless is to pay this near $400 to get this bundle and then equip the headless accessory and then flex on everyone, I suppose. Now, you may see videos going around on how to get free headless and yeah, they're all fake. It's just how it is. The only occasional real thing that will happen is somebody will upload an accessory to the store that's kind of like a pseudo headless. So maybe it gives you a very small thing, so when it's in game it looks like you have headless, but it's not. In the making of this video, I looked to see if there was anything I could recommend, and unfortunately I can't. It seems that these pseudo-headless items created by the users for cheap prices come and go very quickly. I even read reports from some users that they purchased one of these and it worked for a while, and then Roblox banned the item and it was removed from their inventory. For those reasons, I can't really recommend you buy one, and if you do buy one, do so at your own risk because you might end up getting it taken away. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you because it would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching.